Yeah! Today we're going to be talking about how do you want to feel? Right? Do you want to be happy? Do you want to be excited? Do you want to feel loved? We all want these things. So why don't we give them to other people? That's what we should do. It's a good way to gain friends, gain, good things from others. If you want to be happy, make someone else happy. I know for me, personally, possibly my favorite thing in the entire world is to make other people happy. And it might be self-serving, might sound selfish, but it's because it makes me happy. Right? Making someone else feel happy makes me happy. That's awesome. That's great. Similarly, if you make someone else excited about something, you get excited. If you make somebody else feel loved, a lot of the times they'll reciprocate and make you feel loved. If you want anything good out of a relationship or out of someone, give them it first. The number one thing that people want above all else that's non-biological is to feel important. You want to feel that what you're doing has value. You want to feel that what you're doing is making an impact. You want to be an authority figure. You want to be somebody that people look up to. We all want that. It's the reason why people get good at things like the guitar and video games and stuff like that on the weekend, because by spending hours and hours doing this thing, eventually we get good at it, and then we can show others, and then that makes us feel good, right? We feel important. Hey, this guy can play guitar. That's cool. Whoa, I wish I could play the guitar. People who are highly successful in life are important. And so, of course, they feel important, right? They feel respected. So if you're constantly doling out things that make others feel important, it's only going to boost you up and make you a bigger, better person as well. David Schwartz talks about how when he was younger and they had elevator operators, he got an office in this new building, and every day he'd go in, and there's this woman who was the elevator operator, and she always just looked kind of sad and ragged and not, very up on life, whatever. And one day she had got her hair cut, and it wasn't the finest job, but she clearly spent some time and effort on it, making it look nice. And he said, "Oh, your hair looks so nice today, Mrs. S." And she blushed and, smiled and, felt all special. And the next day, when David came in, she said, "Good morning, Dr. Schwartz." And the wildest part about this is that David said the entire time that he worked in that building, not a single time did he ever see her say hello or good morning to any other person ever, except for him, and she only started saying it to him after that one morning when he complimented her on her hair, and then she did every morning after that. And he made her feel special. He made her feel good. And then she repaid him over and over and over and over. How nice would it be if every time you walk in the office, somebody says good morning? It'd be pretty nice. Make people feel good, they'll make you feel good. Hey friends, I would love it if you guys would comment with your questions so that I may answer them for you. I'd super appreciate that. Also, if you want to like, share, subscribe, all that would be awesome as well. Thank you so much for watching.
And, as always, whatever you're gonna do, make it happen now.